Hi everyone, today I'll be reviewing two products from FlaiPixesl. FlaiPixesl is a small company that does printing of photography products. So if you haven't checked them out, check on the description box for their link. Today I'll be talking about these two beautiful products that are standing right in front of me on this table. And it's called a tabletop double-sided LED picture frame. And from the name, it says it all. It's just meant for a table, be it in your office, in your house, in your living room, wherever you want to place it or wherever you find it comfortable for it to be there. You know, it just brings out the beauty of a home. So this product, it's really beautiful. It's one of its kind. I haven't seen it on any website. So if you love something like this that distinguishes you and makes your environment stands out, you should go grab one right now as we talk. So as you can see, it's two-sided, very beautiful. So you can have like two different pictures, maybe you or your spouse, your kids, your family, your grandparents, wherever you want to place on the picture frame. And it has like this nice table stand. It really stands so firmly that, you know, it's difficult for it to fall down. So don't be scared. Rest assured, the product is really durable. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the frame. This frame right here is 10 millimeters thick. When I say thick, it's really thick. I don't know if the camera is showing the thickness, but you could like use a measuring tape to figure out what 10 millimeter is. You could see it from here. It's 10 millimeters, which is really nice. It's durable, and more so, it's rechargeable. So throw away those old picture frames, those canvas that don't light up, or those ones that you use like a torchlight to put it on and put it off. Girl, we got you right here. So you just need to put it on right here by the side, by the right side. You turn it on. This is the on button, and this is like the lights when it shows it is fully charged, it is half charged, or how the power is being consumed. So I'm going to turn it on right here. So this is like the first side. You have the first picture right here. And as I said before, it's two-sided, so you could flip it the other way around to get the second side. And this is really beautiful. I got this for myself as well. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is that you can recharge it. So just like your phone, just like any LED panel that consumes, you need to put it on charge. So don't forget to charge your frames when they are running out of power, and you know, you can put it anywhere, as I mentioned, in your bedroom, in your living room. More so, if you have like an office desk, you can take it to the office. It's such a good product to put in your office as well. So if you do not like the bigger size, of course, we have like the small size, as you see right here. The small size is also on the website. It has the same function as this is the smaller version of the LED table panel. So if you don't want to get the big size, of course, you can get the smaller one. You know, it's something that you can give to a friend, to your spouse, to your lover, whoever you want to give to your grandma, grandpa. You know, it's that product that is really good, and of course everyone is going to love it because it can be displayed anywhere on any surface. And yeah, so if you like this product, go ahead and check the description box for the link to go to the website and purchase these two beautiful products. Okay guys, thank you and stay safe. Bye.